Let's just do a small meditation, very small, just to sit. I'm sitting here in this morning. It's a gorgeous day. The birds are chirping. The sun is shining and it was also cloudy. Whatever comes, whatever's there is fine. Things fly around, they change slowly, quickly. Here we sit. So allowing yourself to sit wherever you are, closing your eyes. That's right. Knowing that you have all you need within you. Take a slow breath in, nice and deep through the nose. And as you exhale, relax your face. Drop your shoulders towards the floor. Definitely relax your jaw. That's right. And just feeling this moment. Breathing in and breathing out. Meeting whatever it is within you. Accepting whatever it is that is here and now, because it has arrived, it is here, might as well meet it. Resistance is only really spending a lot of energy. That's not going to lead to anything, because if it's here for a reason. Just to be met, just to be recognized, just to be acknowledged, just to be real in the now. No matter what is happening, so it can drift past, so that new ideas can come, so inspirations and learnings can come to fruition. So sitting in whatever thoughts are coming and going, whatever dynamics are playing themselves out, and just spending a moment grounding now. Let the belly expand as you inhale and contract as you exhale. That's right. Let yourself feel the earth supporting you, allowing your spine to rise tall, the shoulders to roll back. Your palms are soft, open and receptive. As you hear your surroundings, as you notice the breathing sensations, as you focus at your brow point, allowing yourself to be here, knowing that as you focus on your heart, you can expand your heart energy field. Let that expand beyond your chest, through your whole body, beyond your body, as a bubble of green light surrounding your whole body. And feel that you're wrapping yourself in golden light, purple light, white light, whatever you like, and really feel yourself wrapped up in highest frequency, serving only love and light for your highest good. Connecting your tailbone down into the earth, connecting with Mama Earth, with Gaia, with all that is just below, nurturing, supplying, amazing. Connecting that energy, flowing it through the earth and all the way up your spine, all the way up through to the brow point and sinking down, circulating at your heart. Now connecting at the crown to whatever you consider to be source, energy, light. Connecting up as you visualize the crown chakra, connecting to the infinite potential of you, your home, your light, your source. And feel that energetic now combining and drawing down through your crown, allowing you to feel elevated, connected to above, deeply to below. And let that circulate down your spine, up your spine, circulating in your heart center, expanding. That's right. Feel yourself wrapped in your own confidence, your own capacity to connect to your higher self, to be who you are, to breathe and feel your divine self, to honor it, to choose it in this moment. That's right. Breathe it in and breathe out any stress, any negativity, any doubts. Breathe in this love, this light, this empowerment. You have all you need within you. The more you literally hypnotize yourself to remember this, to believe this, the more the world will reflect it, the more you will feel it, the more you will create a life around that. It's a process for some of us. For some of you, it might be instant. For some of you, it might be one day, yes, next day a little bit different. That's very normal. So just feel free to reset into this And just remember that and see how your day unfolds, your night, your afternoon. Because there is nothing more profound in your inner dimension, your inner wisdom. Anchor into it. Trust it.